Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar definitely did have a nice push down today, and it did have a break of structure, which still makes me think that this move up is actually a correction to this last push down. I think this high right here is going to hold. I still think it's going to most likely turn at a Fibonacci level and most likely end up going back down. Now, we do have CPI interest rate coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, which I actually think that tomorrow around the news, this is probably going to be back at the previous lows, and that tomorrow's news is actually going to cause this to make a big push back to the upside. So for now, I'm definitely still looking for shorts, but I would probably want to be flat prior to tomorrow's news and maybe even at the news go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.